Be like, let me show you our room. One sec. Go.
Let me show you our room.
I made her say it like that.
1, 2, 3. It's a river.
That's beautiful. Wow, how many doors are there?
There's a lot of doors.
We are spending the next 2 days doing a pool and theory workshop in Bangkok. It's called Shallow Weekend.
But before Shallow Weekend starts, we're going to relax for the night and get ready for a day of exploring in Bangkok. We're going to go to something temple. Palace.
We're going to the Grand Palace. We went the wrong way, and then some guy told us that we couldn't go to the Grand Palace today because the king was there, which meant the military was going to be there guarding him and we wouldn't be able to go close. But we're just going to go and walk and find out.
Wait for me to cross the road.
Erin doesn't like crossing the road on her own, she gets nervous.
I just find it really hard because there's no crossings, there's no lights, and everyone is fast.
We have to hold hands. We're going to Bonnie Doon. We're going to Bonnie Doon. Only Australians will understand that. Everyone stops us, like we're walking along, and like these random people in the street was like, "Hey, how are you guys? Where are you going?"
Nice.
I'm like, "We're off to the Grand Palace." Like, "Oh wow, cool." But it's very lovely, very friendly.
So we're at the temple, the palace.
But we're not allowed in because we are dressed inappropriately and we don't actually have a lot of time, so we got here and like, oh no, you got to buy pants and a long sleeve shirt and then buy a ticket to go in, so we're just like, oh, let's just go home.
So here it is.
Yeah, welcome. This is the outside of the Grand Palace. So we're happy that we could bring that to you. We're happy that we can just bring you these amazing places. But this is pretty classic of us because we never do any research to anywhere we go. We just kind of rock up and just like, oh yeah, it'll be fine. So this is classic Adam and Erin.
Travel vlog extraordinaires. We're going to save ourselves the walk back to the hotel and take the infamous Thai tuk-tuk.
Sick Bangkok experience. How much shopping mall? 200. 200, no? 150.
It's time for us to say goodbye to the exploring and get ready for tomorrow, for Shallow Weekend. We're waiting for Apple to pick us up. Apple's the owner of Dive Team Scuba and Freediving Centre in Bangkok.
So this is Apple. Hi. Hello! And Apple is the organizer of the workshop that we're doing here, Apple and her dive centre. And that's about it. And as far as I know, Apple is a very common Thai name.
It is.
Welcome to Bangkok Shallow Weekend. We have 33 students, and one of the challenges in this situation is that our students will be all of a completely different level. We'll have some more advanced divers, we'll have some more beginner divers, and we've got to cater to all of them. When we're finning, we want to make sure we have a nice long stroke, driving with the hip, toes pointed, so we have a good strong finning arc in front of the body and behind it. It's all about efficiency. How efficient can you be while moving underwater? The next thing we wanted to tackle was mono-finning technique, or the dolphin kick. Now, there's no real way to get around this, but mono-finning is like making love. You drive forward with your hips and your pelvis, you pull back with your hips and your pelvis. You're just making love to the water. And I had to communicate that to everyone. We did also focus on no-fin technique and running through some no-fin exercises, but learning how to no-fin dive properly is a long-term process, and you know what, I'm not even going to try to explain it here. As you can see, it's challenging. The thing that really holds almost every diver back is their ability to equalize. So we did spend a huge portion of the workshop going through equalization exercises, going through equalization techniques. Most of these divers live in Bangkok, and they only get a chance to start diving deeper when they go away on trips or holidays. So the best thing to do is to be focusing on your equalization technique while at home, while you don't have access to depth or water, so that when you go away, you find that your equalization works seamlessly and smoothly. I've got everyone standing in line, lifting their throat up and dropping their throat down, because there's immense equalization value to that exercise. Okay, so we're currently on Adventures with Apple. Apple, where are we going?
We're going to Jatuchak Market.
It's the weekend market.
It's a weekend market.
And apparently you can find anything, if it exists
Everything.
on Earth, you can find it there.
Kind of.
So this should be a fun experience. This is the longest cat I've ever seen in my life.
Why is it so big?
It's so long, look at it, it's like long and massive.
That's what she said.
Oh my god, it's a meerkat. That is a meerkat. And the market keeps going on and on and on and on. And it goes on and on and on and on. What are you doing there? Oof, we're out. The market was incredible. It's just sad to see all the animals in their little cages. That's all.
Apple and Ploy are taking us out for dinner in Chinatown. This entire trip has pretty much been a culinary experience for us. We've eaten every possible Thai dish that we could imagine. Yep, still eating, still eating.
This is morning glory. It's my absolute favourite vegetable on earth. It's delicious. They call it pak bung. I'm down with the Thai, alright?
I would love to weigh ourselves when we get back to Australia, because I'd say we've probably put on about, I don't know, a couple kilos each.
Erin, are you telling me that we need to pack? Okay.
No, pack the bags, Adam. Now is the part of the trip that Adam and I both dread. We hate goodbyes, and this goodbye was not easy. Louis and Apple were nothing but incredible for us on this trip. We're really, truly thankful. The freediving family is one incredible family.
This video was made possible because of our patrons. Learn how you can support us and get access to the world's most complete freediving manual by clicking here. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and you might want to check out this video because I think you will like it.